today for the intro, you're gonna look at Loxy because I'm looking tore up from this floor up. I promise you. You're probably thinking, what's the difference from any other day? Well, it's just a little extra bad today. Not by much, but enough. So anyway, good morning, and we've got some cleaning to do in here, and I want to tackle some more decluttering and boxing up, just areas I know I'm not going to use. But first I am going to just get myself together. I am going to take a shower, maybe even do some makeup today, and I'll see you in a minute. And finally, here I am. Okay, feeling a little bit better. I definitely needed to feel put together today. It's just something that I do sometimes. I'm okay, and I don't need that extra zhuzh, I guess, to have a better day. But sometimes there are days where I just need to be put together. I need to be wearing jeans rather than leggings, that kind of thing. And today was one of those days, and I feel much better. However, the next thing is, and you know me, what do I tell you, really? But I need for this house to be clean. You wouldn't know it, but I have not vacuumed in this living room in almost a week, and that's really bad. And then you can see, just, it's not bad. It's not bad at all, but I want it to be clean, so let's go. Let's clean it. Things first, I always like to have something on TV while I clean. Just makes it nicer for me. stop my cleaning to show you guys what happens in my house when I don't vacuum. Loxie's hair collects in clusters, so it's almost like when the AC's on and when we're shuffling about, it swirls all of her hair into, you know, a cluster. Here's another one right there, and another one. This one's huge. Do you see that? Yeah, so this is why I have to vacuum every single day. And then it's all on the stairs. Right, I am going to do a little bit more packing. I'm really thinking that I'm tackling the inevitable move properly, because I just hate the idea of doing everything at once. That's why I always love to prepare months ahead of time, because then whenever like that event comes up, then I'm more relaxed and more calm and peaceful. Just super nicely. Love these big gigantic boxes. Originally, what came in these were Loxie's dog food. So Haul of the Day is brought to you by the unvacuumed, neglected carpet in this hallway. But all it is some tape, some moving boxing tape. It's called Easy Start. And yeah, this is just one of those things. I like to be prepared. I don't want to have to run out. And it's an essential to moving. I haven't ordered the boxes yet, but I'll be doing that soon. I found a really great price, like 12 large moving boxes for about $38. So I'll be ordering 2 sets of those, and then, so anyway, this is the haul, some tape. Super exciting. Welcome to my channel. We're back on the carpet, because this seems to be fun for me. But here is the duct tape print that I've chosen for my craft room, so that when I move, I know that whatever space I have, I'll have a designated space for my craft room. And this, I just found this already in my craft room. Probably got this for fall, or I'm not really sure when, but it is the orange foxes. And I'll go ahead, I'll show you how I do it. And then I'll cut out like a little square piece and add it to a sheet of printer paper. And then I'll put this down, and then next to it I'll put craft room. That way I'll put that sheet, that legend or key in my purse, so on moving day, I'll have it with me. You want to make sure you don't lose that. And that way, you know, when you look at the boxes, you can tell the movers where the boxes need to go. So what I like to do is I like to put it on the side, because usually they will carry the box and stack them on the dolly the way that you have it, because you know which way's upside down, left, right kind of thing. So I always put it on the side and it goes from one to the other. That way there's two views. You can even do it on the other side as well. And it's the best moving hack ever, I'm telling you. This is hilarious. This little tool, if you know, comment it down below, but I'm about to tell y'all. But if you know. But this is basically for trampoline. This is how you get the bouncy part onto the metal part, because you have to stretch so hard. It's not easy. I don't know why I have this still. Here's another duct tape, donuts, so I'll use that for another room. These are labels for the champagne above. I'll leave that here for the next whatever. Birthday. Oh, I remember this one. Still keeping up. Oop, doubles. You know what doubles means. Oh, who remembers these? The little, I love those. I ribbon for a little week. Just ate dinner. I had some pasta carbonara and I made lasagna too, because my daughter wanted lasagna, but I wasn't feeling in the mood for it, but then it'll be leftovers and I'll have it tomorrow. So that has about 7 minutes left. Relaxing. I think the last clip was me cleaning this thing, which it's all done, ready to go. But this is that piece that I said is, I don't really know, you know, obviously whenever I know where I'm living, I'll have a better idea, but it's definitely not going to be my intention to keep it as an entryway for long. It may go there to begin, like in the beginning, but you guys, I'm so full and stuffed. And, you know, haven't done much there. Oh, I did go through the guest bathroom. So I checked this room off my list. I went through all the drawers. I still have all of my Dollar Tree candles I haven't burned through yet. I have some of my newer ones that I recently hauled, so they go in the guest bathroom. So I'm keeping all those. This also from Dollar Tree. I think I'm gonna eventually use in an extra bathroom in the house. So kind of like the bathroom that I have upstairs in the game room. If I have like an extra bathroom, that's I think where I'm gonna use that. Here's what this looks like. I love how simple and pretty it is, and I'm using the green candle from Dollar Tree. Isn't it so pretty? Why don't we go ahead and light it? Anyways, that's it. I hope that you guys are doing great. I don't really get a chance to know much, but I hope everything's going good for you guys. And I don't know, peace has really become something I've never spent too much time thinking about, but as of lately, it's the most priceless thing. And if I could wish anything for any one of you, it would just be peace, calm, happiness. I've been through so much, and it's just to finally feel content. Yeah, it's just, anyway, that's what I wish for you guys. So I I hope that you're all feeling good and that tomorrow is going to be an even better day, and I'll see you guys. Bye.